Why does scope creep cause project delays in consulting? Imagine working on a project with a clear plan, deadlines, and budget, only to see it stretch out longer than expected. What causes that? It's often scope creep. Scope creep happens when the original goals or requirements of a project slowly expand without proper planning. It usually starts with small requests from the client or team members. These requests seem minor at first, like adding a new feature or extra analysis. But over time, they add up. Without formal approval or adjustments to the timeline and budget, these changes can cause big delays. In consulting, projects are usually defined with specific deliverables, deadlines, and costs. When scope creep occurs, those boundaries are pushed out without extra time or resources. For example, if a client asks for an additional report or a new set of data analysis halfway through, it takes more effort. The consultants have to spend extra hours, which pushes back the project milestones and final delivery date. This can cause frustration for both sides. Several factors make scope creep more likely. Poorly defined project scope at the start leaves room for extra requests. If the initial plan is vague, clients may keep asking for more. Sometimes, clients see small requests as easy to add, but they quickly pile up. Consultants might agree to these changes informally to keep the client happy. But without proper documentation, these small changes can become major issues. Lack of clear communication about what is included and what needs approval also fuels scope creep. Managing scope creep is vital for delivering value and keeping clients satisfied. If it's not controlled, it can drain resources, reduce profits, and harm relationships. To prevent delays, it's best to clearly define what is included at the start. Write down the scope, deliverables, and deadlines. Set expectations with clients about how changes will be handled through formal change requests or new proposals. Keep open lines of communication so clients understand how requested changes impact schedule and costs. When a client asks for more work beyond the original plan, it's important to negotiate additional fees or time. Using project management tools helps track scope, progress, and changes systematically. In the end, scope creep causes delays because it expands the workload without adjusting the schedule or resources. For a consulting business, controlling scope creep helps deliver projects on time, stay profitable, and keep clients happy. It's all about clear boundaries, good communication, and sticking to the plan.